Student, today I will discuss chapter number 1, that is some basic concept of chemistry. First of all, what do you mean by chemistry? Chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the study of structure, properties, interaction, and transformation of matter and the energy changes during this transformation. All these are included in chemistry. It play a very important role in a science. It always play a important role in our daily life. Now, the question arises is that what is matter? Matter is anything which occupy space and has mass. Like this is a pencil. It has mass and occupy the space. Pen, book, chair, table, anything, any material which occupies space and has mass, that is matter. Now, the next topic is the classification of matter. Matter are classified into two types. First, physical classification. Second is chemical classification. Physical classification is based on the physical properties, and chemical classification is based on the chemical composition. So here we will discuss one by one. First, physical classification. According to physical classification, matter is classified into three types: solid, liquid, and gas. These are the three states of matter. First, we take solid. Solid particles are held very close to each other, and intermolecular space in these particles is very less, or you can say negligible. But intermolecular force, that is very strong. Solid is rigid. Rigid means hard. Example of solid like metals, copper, iron, zinc, all these are solids. Now next is liquid. Liquid particles are close to each other, but they can move around because a little space is present in between the liquid particles. Liquid have a tendency to flow. So liquid is a fluid. It shows the property of fluidity. Fluidity means the tendency to flow. Now third is gases. Gases particles are far apart as compared to solid and liquid, and their movement is very easy and fast because more space is available in between the gaseous particles. Gases like nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, CNG, LPG. Gases have a tendency to compressible. When we apply pressure, then it will be easily be compressed because more space is available between the particles. Intermolecular forces are negligible in gases, means are very weak. Now, beside these states of matter, the other two states of matter is also include. First is plasma, second is Bose-Einstein condensation. So total 5 states of matter are there. But these two states that exist in the extreme condition of temperature and pressure. That's why only the 3 states, solid, liquid and gas, that are considered. Now the next classification is chemical classification. On the basis of chemical composition, the matter is classified into the two types, pure substance and mixture. Pure substance means fixed composition, and their particles cannot be separated by physical method. You take the example like water, gold, silver. These are pure substance because they are made up of only one type of atoms. Gold is made up of only gold atoms. So these substances are the pure substance. A pure substance can be an element or a compound. Pure substance is always homogeneous. So this homogeneous mixture is called as solution. So pure substance are the elements and compound. First, how will you define the elements? Element is a pure substance that is made up of only one kind of particle, which may be atom or molecule, like hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. All these are elements. Depending on the physical and chemical properties, elements are divided into 3 categories: metal, non-metals and metalloids. Metal are the good conductor of heat and electricity. Metal are malleable, means it can be beaten with hammer into a thin sheet. It shows the property of ductility, means it can be easily drawn in wire, जैसे copper wire, aluminium wire, etc. At room temperature, metal exists in a solid form. Example of metals are silver, aluminium, copper, gold. All these are metals. Now next is non-metal. Non-metal are brittle and poor conductor of heat and electricity. Except graphite. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity, but it is a non-metal. This is the exceptional case. Third is metalloid. Metalloid are those elements which shows the properties of both metals and non-metals, like boron, bismuth, antimony, etc. Thanks.